So you can see this DJI Mini 2 is no bigger than a cell phone. So my cell phone is 6.4 inch. Look at that, it's very small. This DJI Mini is very small. With this kind of drone, you can take it outside and use it in public to film without flying, and people will not even notice. Of course, you are going to include the controller. This one. Before you can operate the camera of this drone is you have to attach your cell phone to the controller. So here is the situation. You just bought a drone to explore the skies in some wilderness, but the problem is when it comes to urban populations, there's a lot of restrictions that you cannot do. So what happens is your drone will just sit down in the shelf collecting dust without doing anything. So it's a waste of resources if that's the case. So one thing you can do is just to use the camera of your drone to do the filming. Just secure the wings with the rubber band. That just make sure that the gimbals is free to move without being hampered. And then you can bring this to the city and do your filming. And since this gimbal has has an excellent gimbal, it's going to give you a very nice video. Usually what I do is I do it like this. So I hold this one in my hand. It's very small. This is no bigger than a cell phone. So people will not notice that you're using this for filming. And then you can just hold the controller in the cell phone with your other hand without any problem. So this is the way that I use this drone in the city. So you will be seeing some of my footage that I've taken with this setup. Or there's another way is you can put this on top if you just want to use your one hand. You can put this on top. Make sure that you will not be pressing any buttons here. Put it on top here and just secure the rubber band around with green tape or whatever. But for me, I prepare it to just secure it with rubber band. Look at that. So now, easily you can use this kind of setup to film in the streets or in the city without no one is going to notice you, because this is very small. It's just a bit bigger than this small camera, but compared with my regular video camera setup, this is smaller. So as you can see, if I'm going to use this bigger camera, it's obvious that I am filming, right? So see, it's very small. Of course, you can add more rubber band in here if you want to make it more secure, or a rubber tip or a tape. So okay, so this is how I use this and my street photography and videography. So instead of using this setup, this my regular camera setup, I can use this one instead. So this is how I record videos using my drone handhold. So I'm just using this. So I'm just using the camera of the drone. There you go. Hope you guys learned something from this video presentation. And if you want more of this kind of video tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment below, and I will try to answer any question as I can. Stay tuned for my new incoming videos because it's about the comparison of the performance between a GoPro 8 and this DJI Mini 2 drone. I'm going to use both cameras in filming in the city and capturing videos and the city activities. Both of these cameras has their own image stabilization. This DJI drone Mini has its own mechanical gimbal, and the GoPro 8 has also its own internal image stabilization. So in my next video, we're going to see which one of them is better, or if they are comparable at all.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so